Wow. Let's check this out. So amazing. So that's where we are going. It's time to arrive soon. Nice birds. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of kilometers, going down, going up. I'm very tired, and it was super hot. Now it's gonna be, I think, 7:30, 8 p.m. and I'm going to check this beach at the bottom, see if I find a place to camp. But I'm not far from the other city. I only have 1 liter of water, in 1.5 liters. I think 1 liter actually. I drink some, but it is gonna work. Okay, this place. Oh, look what I found, by the way. So cool. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna keep it. It's good for fishing, I think, because I saw a lot of fish pulling or bird. But for camping here, first there is no tree I can put my hammock, and it looks like a lot of insects. Oh, water. So I have to carry on, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful bay here, very cool, but I can't sleep with my hammock, and I'm sure here is going to be a lot of bugs, a lot of animals at night. I'm convinced. So I need to go out of this bay and carry on. I'm super done for today, but we have to accept the challenge. We have no choice. But I'm happy anyway. The hike is cool. It's a bit challenging, so we can't go too fast because it's kind of very narrow path. You can see, I guess. But look at this, it's so beautiful. And the city is behind, so we have to carry on. I have to see when I find a good spot to stop. I will, definitely. Oh, this water, it's a source. Oh, so cool. I guess this is like, it looks like a source. We're gonna check it. Huh? Wow, super. It's salty, but I think it's sulfuric water. Wow, super cold. Okay, I'm going to take a bath here. Fuck, it's freezing. Guys, look at this. This is sulfuric water, I can feel from the taste. And from the other side, like this is a bay. You can see like it's coming out from the stones actually. And from this side, so the water, but here it's coming out from here, so, but here it's much more warm, much warmer. It's super clear. Okay. I took the sulfuric bath. I'm feeling much relieved, much better. Behind we see the sea, because this is part of the island. This is the island, and behind there's the sea, and another island. I mean, behind I think it's like a peninsula. I will check on the map again. But yeah, to talk again about the sulfuric waters, it's believed that when you take a bath long enough in this, your body feels fresh during like up to 4 hours. So when there is some heat like there was today, it should have been very good to do this in the morning. Okay, I passed by the place which was supposed to be there for camping, but it's not working. There's no trees. I expected it, considering the kind of environment, but it's okay. We're gonna carry on. We're gonna see until where we can go, until where we can find something there. So here's all the boats. It's beautiful. I really want to stop to eat somewhere, and to stop to eat in this village. I still have some food, but maybe I can keep for breakfast tomorrow and stop and eat somewhere. Man, the paths are so narrow here, and all this thing is so spiky, you don't even know. Wow. But it's the path. It's the right path. But look, we are in Kekova, arriving in Kekova, small village, but one of the biggest small village from all the one we've seen so far. Because this one they will probably accept card, so that's why I'm thinking of stopping, see if I could eat somewhere. But the problem is, like, if I don't put my camp before night, which will be like in less than 40 minutes, I guess, I will be a bit in trouble, because at night we can't see much. I don't have much battery on the phone. I will have to recharge, so I'm rushing a little bit. Man, look at the size of this path. Like, and this is so spiky. Wow. Okay, how I'm gonna pass here without cutting myself everywhere? Oh. Few spiders. Well, we wanted to have some wild experience. Here we are. Here. Man, it's so cool, this bay, you know. It's so... Oh, that's a mosque. Call of the mosque. Nice. So cool. So look at the size of this scorpion. big scorpion. Nice. He's very still. I mean, he's well alive, look. He's kind of big. Oh, compared to the bottle of beer. Nice scorpion. This is my blissful fire and my blissful camp. So it's perfect. I'm gonna go to sleep. Just putting a bit more wood and go to sleep. Okay, we are making a fire. This is the camp behind where we slept, and this is the view. So we slept near the road, but nobody was there to annoy. Maybe a few cars at night passing, but look at this view. So beautiful. Ok, le soleil se lève, on lève le camp, direction Demre. So we are hiking towards Demre. It's been like 5 kilometers at this one. My travel companion is walking with me. So cool. Look, it's full of fishes here. Well, here you can see these fishes, a lot of fishes in this bay. It's very beautiful, but I'm going to move, carry on, and try to find a spot where I can rest with my hammock. Here, always as usual, the path are a bit narrow. Look at this, so beautiful. And a small island. Ah man, I want to swim in this small island. I want to give a swim. Okay, this is where we are now. I swim from here. Ah, there was this small island. I missed this island, I went to the further one. So yeah, we're in the middle of everything. Here's the open sea. So let's swim back. un seul arbre, j'ai dit oh, faut que je trouve un moyen de mettre le hamac. Mais ça marche avec la pierre comme ça. Ça fonctionne. Faut pas trop faire le fou, mais ça fonctionne très bien. Voilà. Alors on va faire un petit feu, on va faire à manger. Okay, the system D to cook the beans. We have a pot, so we put water in a plastic jar that I had with me, and let's wait that the water boils. Okay, water is boiling. Okay, so I swim on this big small island, then the biggest one, and I didn't see, but there was a big one here. And here off the end there are some pine trees. Here we're carrying on towards there. This is just a dream spot for hammocks. Two wonderful pine trees. The space is perfect, the view is amazing, and you have land here. I will definitely come to camp. Sad that people make it dirty. There's two beautiful eucalyptus, so I'm gonna try to get some leaves to bring back and make a tea. Up. That's enough. This is a few shade I found, like it's going up. It's like 40 degrees. I'm sweating everywhere. And it's a bit challenging because of the heat, but let's do this. Okay, still very hot here. I'm in a huge field with the mountain, and I was supposed to go by there, but I saw this path. It was written Eski, which means old, probably the old path. But on this big stone it was written Istrada, which means the invasion. So probably like there was some conflict and the way changed, and somehow. So I had to choose one. I took this one. On the map it's written that there is some ruins and forest, and I will take advantage to go to see. Normally by here, here, some water, more over here I guess, if there is a source. Hey, some symbol on this one as well, on the side. Oh, and at the top as well it's full of ruins. This is just a circle with some motifs on it. Still on top. Let's investigate this quickly. This one's open here. When I'm coming back, I'm gonna check why those stones have all been open. What was hidden inside? Let's give a quick look on these ruins. Wow, what is this one? There's some motifs on it, some symbols. Let's throw them back here. So I passed by the source and I think there is no water. And I don't have much water left. We have a nice view at the post, so at the top. Oh my god. Oh, they could see the sea here. Check this panorama. They could see everything. Oh, that's where we are going. I guess that's Demre. Seriously, I would like to carry on, but there's too much heat here. Climbing up the last one. Just to check this tomb here. Just to verify this is as well open. Yeah, completely broken. Actually, it's a good shelter. There's too much heat. Okay, let's go down. You guys think there will be possibility to have things hidden inside still? Depends if they found something or if they didn't find back in the time. And there it carries on. Okay, I'm hearing there is a village over there. And here at the top as well. Wow, this one is beautiful. Should have been a tower. Okay guys, I'm heading to Çakil. Okay, I'm almost there. I have to go behind this mountain there and climb up all this. Let's go first to get some water. I'm dry now. Okay, back on the way. I met some super cool people. They give me some cold water, ice water, so it's just perfect because I tried to look for water and the sinks were closed, so I was like fuck. But I asked someone, he told me to go behind, and these people, they are cultivating peppers, and so they give me water, and they also give me some tomatoes and peppers. So we are almost reaching Çakil beach. I already been there, but from the other side, and I didn't go by there. So showing the maps, checking the maps, I thought it would have been easy peasy, because it was not showing the denivel, like it was only showing going down. I mean, kind of flat and then going down, but it was up and down and up and down and up. And guys, I use Maps.me, which helped me for many hikes. I love them. I love Maps.me, like very cool offline maps, a lot of information which were so good for this hike, which helped me a lot. But guys, like two things, there is some spots, I don't know if the admins could change this or if it's like the community who was to do. I don't really know how it works, but there was many places where it was showing a source, but it will be good to be having some option to select if the source is still valid at this time, you know, so the people can see an history. And because I have been like in lack of water sometimes, because I thought, like, I think 2/3 of the places showing as drinking water were not very drinking water when we arrive here. So we had some here, for example, I saw one last time I came, and the water was like sometimes it's empty, sometimes, and also there is other waters that are not showed up, and I want to know. I don't know if someone could explain to me how to do to put on the map, register with the logo, so it can help other people, because some of them, they were not informed on the maps, the places where there was actually water. So yeah, and the other one I wanted to say is like the nivel, like this could be updated. Maybe my map is not updated, I don't know, but it should be so great to have this, so to trust more. But I already know Maps.me how it works, so I'm not trusting 100%. I don't rely always on Maps.me. I just keep some water with me in case like the water source is not available. But as well, we are 40 degrees outside. I guess like it's not the whole year. Some people I saw they put some information on it, like no water in December, blah blah blah, you know. So that was great. Okay, we are reaching. Oh, this beach is so beautiful. Look the color of the water. Let me stop and show you after. So this is the one I'm talking about. When we checked that one, like the water was very dirty. I mean, I don't know, like there was one where I actually drink this water but I filter it. It was similar one, but the water was much cold. I didn't check this one because I didn't have a bucket or anything, but I did with a spare bottle last time. So here we are, Castle Beach. Man, and I'm alone. Like nobody comes here. Look at this. This boat. I'm going to go for a swim here. There's no chance I miss this one. It's beautiful. Okay, finally I have had some rest. Had the food that the guys gave me at the village at the top, and now we're gonna have some swim over here. So I think people don't come here because it's a beach of rocks and people are not used to walk with their feet on this, and plus there's some shells, some small snails on the rock, so it can be dangerous to them, but good because like this I'm alone. Woohoo! Guys, seriously, look at this beach. It's so perfect. Nobody is here, and the clarity in the water is so good. Actually, there's something super interesting over there. There is like, the water is like almost not clear at all because the difference of density and temperature. I guess it's sulfuric water which comes out of the rocks, comes from the mountain, and it's super cold. I can still feel here there is two temperatures of the water. Very amazing. So now we are heading to Demre. So next beach is going to be a beach where there is a river of sulfuric water, and I have been there already, and I saw a huge turtle just swim next to her. Let's see if we got lucky again. I would like to film this, but here, this one, I will definitely come back because look, like there is no body. It's it's like the dream place. Only problem is like there's rocks, but this is why there is nobody. Okay, check this out. Someone left watermelon, and look, there's a bunch of very nice calabash, you know, like such amazing colors. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of them. Beautiful. Look at this one. Wow, this one is like emerald. Look at this. Look at this with the sun. So good. We are going behind, I mean before the boat. Before the boat there is a beach, but we can't see it from here. Up. So yeah, to do this hike, I think depending on how people go, if they walk fast, if they do some stop, it's around 3 days, 2.5 days. I started in the evening 2 days ago, so I spent arrive in Cache around 4 p.m. or 3:30 p.m. something like this, and I finish. I will finish tonight, but I took so many stops as well, so many good stops. So this morning I stayed the whole morning in this lagoon, this bay next to Kalkan. I can't remember the name of the village, but I stay a lot of times there. I spend another day diving and snorkeling and doing some rest and eating a bit at this beach behind. But someone who really wants to go fast, I think can make it easily in 2 days, because it's around 55 kilometers. But me, I didn't only do this, I went off the road as well, off the trail, to do some exploration about other places. So that's why I'm taking a bit longer, not rushing, take my time. I had time, so I took advantage. I'm rushing just because on the video it seems that I'm rushing, but I'm rushing just on some moments to be able to take the energy of the place properly in other moments. So I'm not going fast as possible. I'm just going fast in some portions, and other portion take my time, observe, relax, stop. This is my way. Yeah, and I researched a bit about the tombs of Lycian tombs. I will make a video after to tell you about it. So I reached the beach, checking if I can see any turtle in this river, but nothing. I was expecting Clarissa to be here. She left like more than 50 minutes ago, so probably she will arrive here soon. I think I'm gonna take a bath while I wait for her. So that's how is the water here, with a beautiful palm tree behind, and where sometimes, like, pay attention, like they come to breathe out, but they are probably still in the sea, and after they come, I don't know if it's within the tide There's a lot of current actually here. So maybe with the current, you don't save energy.